Because we have a variety of lists.
My president, the people's president. All we have come here to do, sir, is to say to you, actually it was not this day that we were robbed. Remember? The election started today, on that very day in 2023. We came out, it was raining, people were queuing up. In fact, in my estate, people queued up till 12 a.m., insisting that they had to vote. So what we did on this day, 25th of February 2023, was to stand behind the man that indeed we saw as having something for us as a people, as a nation. That's what we did on that very day, on the 25th of February 2023. Before they now started plotting to rob us. And they did that in the midnight around 4 a.m., I think on the 1st of March. That's actually, I think, was it not in March that the result eventually that they announced? Oh, second. So, to the obedience, what we did on the 25th is apt, is real, is the real thing. What they did that they announced is the Shege that they brought upon our land, a plague that has befallen our nation. But there is hope. Not their kind of hope, like Isaac Balami said. Their kind of hope is renewed Shege. Ours is that hope that will give birth to the beginning of the activation of the giant of Africa. Because if, I have always said this, that Nigeria is not just positioned for Africa. Nigeria is positioned for the black community on earth. The black man will not be respected until Nigeria gets up. Africa will not rise until Nigeria is up. That is why we are behind His Excellency. He doesn't like any other thing but Mr. Peter Gregory Obi. Sir, we are with you, and come this time, by the grace of God in 2027, what we will be celebrating is, alas, Nigeria is redeemed. God bless Nigeria.
Thank you. Thank you.